Exercising for diabetes. Regular exercise is an important part of staying healthy and managing diabetes. Exercise helps the body use insulin more efficiently and can help lower blood sugar levels. It can also help reduce stress, improve mood, and increase energy levels. When it comes to exercise, the most important thing is to find something you enjoy and that you can stick to. The American Diabetes Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, spread out throughout the week. This could include walking, jogging, swimming, or biking. Strength training is also important for people with diabetes. Strength training helps build muscle, which increases the body's ability to use insulin more efficiently. The ADA recommends at least 2 strength training sessions per week. When starting an exercise routine, it's important to talk to your doctor first. He or she can help you develop an exercise plan that is tailored to your needs and health goals. Your doctor can also help you monitor your blood sugar levels during exercise to make sure they stay within a healthy range. It's also important to wear the right shoes and clothing when exercising. Wearing the wrong shoes can cause blisters or other foot problems, while wearing the wrong clothing can cause chafing or other skin irritations. It's also important to stay hydrated and to take regular breaks during exercise. Exercise can be a great way to stay healthy and manage diabetes. It's important to talk to your doctor before starting any exercise routine and to make sure you have the right shoes and clothing. With the right plan, you can find an exercise routine that you enjoy and that will help you stay healthy.